Hey everyone, what's up and welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to a new video. In today's video, I'm gonna share 10 Amazon products that are absolute must-haves. It's a mix of a lot of products, skincare, hair care, makeup, and also organizers, a bunch of different stuff. I know you guys are gonna love it. So without further ado, let's get started.
Yeah, no, no, yeah.
The first product I want to talk about is this sleek hair wax stick. This is such an amazing and a godsend product. If you're someone who loves doing sleek hairstyles, get this. It's definitely a must-have. I think I saw this on Pinterest and मुझे लगा नहीं था मुझे Amazon पे मिल जाएगा, but I got this. I can't rave enough about this. This is how the product looks like. It kind of looks like that glue stick we used to use when we were a kid, but yeah, it kind of works something very similar, and you just go through with this. You'll see a tutorial on how I use this. It's very simple. Now this is how my hair looked before. I'm just gonna partition it into two halves, separating the first half. So I'm gonna create a half up, half down, pull all the hair back and sleek it up once, and then I'm gonna use this wax stick. Do you see all those baby hair coming out? I know that's so frustrating. I absolutely hate it, but this is gonna flatten everything out. You don't need water, you don't need gel or hair, anything. You just need one product and you're good to go. I'm gonna do the same on the other side, and voila, look at that beautiful hairstyle. Look at that sleek, yummy goodness. Love it. Now this is such a versatile product. You don't even have to do sleek hair. You know, कभी कभी आप जैसे एक ponytail बांध देते हो या फिर एक high bun बांध देते हो, and some of those pieces are really annoying, or just use some of this product and sleek it up. If your curls are frizzing up, if you have some of those pieces, just take a little bit of this and just sleek it out, and yum. This is such a travel friendly. It's not gonna leak or anything. It's just a beautiful product and a must have from my end. The next product I want to talk about is a sunscreen spray. This is by this brand called Moha. It's SPF 50 PA triple plus sunscreen spray. As it mentions, it's not a cream. You just have to spray it on your face, on your body. इसमें लिखा तो है कि ये सब जगह यूज कर सकते हैं, but I would say do not use it on your face. It does have oil और वो थोड़ा time लेता है seep in करने के लिए, and also gives that oil kind of a look. So I wouldn't suggest this on your face, but on your body this looks really good. Look at the application, you will understand what I'm talking about. This gets locked as well, so you just have to unlock it, shake it, and spray it on your body, and look at that glow. Usually I only put sunscreen on my face and my neck. I don't really bother to put it on my body, but this is gonna be a game changer for me, especially when I'm traveling and I'm wearing those spaghetti tops, or you know, just half length, whichever area is exposed. This is so hassle free. You just have to like shake it and spray it on your body. It gives a beautiful glow and it's gonna protect your body. So great to put it if you are gonna be in the pool or in the ocean swimming. Amazing product, definitely a must have. Okay, so the next product I'm really excited to show you guys. It's hair makeup. This is by this brand called Anvea, and I got it in the color Summer Pink and Euphoria Blue. Okay, what is the difference between these and the hair color that you get in the salon? तो that is usually semi permanent. Permanent तो बोल नहीं सकती, semi permanent ही बोल सकती हूँ जब तक वो fade off नहीं हो जाता, right? So it stays for a good like 2 to 3 months sometimes, but these are like hair makeup. So you put it on, you let it dry, and you enjoy those curls and those beautiful colored hair. And if you are ready to take them off, just wash it off and it will come right off. So I feel this is great for experimental purposes. Now both of these colors, I've been meaning to get them. Like I want to color my hair pink or this Euphoria blue color, the exact same colors. But of course I'm scared. I don't know if it's gonna look good on me or not. The last time I colored my hair red, I was like in a fix. I liked it for a few days, but then I was like, yaar, kab ja raha hai? I want my old color back. But with these you can experiment, and great for school and college people who don't want to color, or the parents don't allow, the school doesn't allow. College going people as well, or office going people who just want a temporary solution for the time being. I feel it's great to play around, and if you want multiple streaks, or literally you can do so many things. I would give it a big thumbs up. One note I would say is this color, especially pink color, does shed off. So I would say if you're doing this, do not wear white, wear black or some dark color, so chal jayega. But yeah, must-haves. The next product I want to talk about is definitely a makeup must-have from my end, and I know this is going to be in my vanity for years to come. It's so freaking good, and this is a recent discovery, by the way, and I'm obsessed with it. It's a NYX Professional Makeup Tinted Brow Mascara. As the name suggests, it's a brow gel. Now, I have owned a lot of brow gels in the past, but this one is the best out of all. Now, the main reasons I never liked those is ये भी tinted brow है, इसमें brown color का ये tinted brow mascara है. And the past ones that I've used, either the formulation was way too runny or the wand was way too clumpy and I had to remove all the mascara out of it. This one, it's like such a hassle-free product. Just have to remove it and you can use it. It does not come up like very dark, nothing. It's just a light coat of brow mascara on your brows, and this is such a great beginner friendly, for everyone friendly, travel friendly. This is my top 5 and this is definitely a must have from my end. The next product I want to talk about are fake nails. It's by this brand called Secret Lives on Amazon. Now, I have used them and I know these are so freaking good. I've used other stick-on nails in the past and this one is definitely the best one I've tried so far. I'll tell you why. बिकॉज इसमें ना जो भी चीज़ें चाहिए वो सब इस बॉक्स में आ जाता है, फ्रॉम प्रेप टू लेके फिनिशिंग तक. लिटरली एवरी सिंगल थिंग दैट यू नीड, everything is there. Also, the quality of the nails is really good and it does not look like fake nails when you apply them. It looks really good. It looks like you have sat in the nail salon for 2 hours and did your nails. So these are a quick escape for me and definitely a must-have from my end. Next product I want to talk about is a shoe cleaning kit. It's by this brand called Sugar. Now, I have a lot of white shoes and आप लोग अगर white shoes own करते हो, you already know it gets dirty super fast. So this is what I invested in. I haven't tried it out. You'll probably see the try on part in the video itself. Yeah, this is how it looks like. It comes with the solution. It does come with the brush as well. This is how the brush looks like, and it also comes with this microfiber towel to wipe the shoe and everything. I'm definitely gonna use it and put a video of the before and after. You'll see it. So yeah, this is definitely a must-have if you own white shoes. The next must-have from my end is a facial razor. I've used a lot, and this one as well as another brand are my 2 top favorites, and this is what I repurchase all the time. The first one is by this brand called Sirona, and the second one is from, I don't remember the brand name. I'll put an image of what I'm talking about. What I really like about this is again travel friendly है और ये कभी निकल के कटेगा विटेगा नहीं, because यहाँ पर एक टैब जैसा है, so it kind of like locks in. Also इसका जो blade है वो बहुत ही अच्छा है, अच्छा clean shave देता है without cutting your skin. So this is very safe and it works like a charm. So a must have from my end. The next product I want to talk about is a shoe organizer. यहाँ पर मेरे पास अभी है नहीं, मैं आपको वीडियो दिखा दूंगी because मैंने already वो setup कर दिया है. Now if you have empty space and you have a lot of shoes like me, like मेरे और मेरे हस्बैंड के शूज़ इतने सारे हैं और इतने सारे एक्स्ट्रा चीज़ें हैं स्टोर करने के लिए. स्टोरेज इज़ ऑलवेज अ स्ट्रगल फॉर अस, but this one is a great solution. It goes so well with my house aesthetic. इसमें आपको कलर्स के ऑप्शन भी है. I got it in the color white and transparent है, बहुत ही अच्छा chic दिखता है. Again, you can display your favorite bags, you can display your favorite shoes, you can store a lot of other things. You can, like, as you can see how I have stored my bags, my shoes. Such a great option if you have like a small chotu corner and you don't know what to do with it. So big thumbs up from my end. Organizer के ही category में the next one I have is this jewelry hanger. As you can see, it is a hanger. You just need to hang it on the clothing rack that you have. Place it in the back and all of your jewelry is organized. It has a space for the chains, like the big old chains. It has 3 rows of earring ka. I absolutely love this. This is how I store all of my jewelry almost. And I want to get another one of this because I want to make 2 different hangers, one for this oxidized and traditional jewelries and one for, you know, dainty fancy kind of imitation jewelry. So yeah, I love this. A big thumbs up. And the last product I want to talk about is again a jewelry organizer, but this one is a compact, travel friendly great option because I know when I'm traveling and I'm carrying my chains and necklaces, it gets tangled, and removing those tangles are like another headache, which I don't want. This one on the other hand has amazing organization. Wait, let me show you guys. Okay, so यहाँ पर आप आपके long chains hang कर सकते हो, and it has this little cute pocket where it stays everything and it does not come out, which I love. यहाँ पर आप earrings रख सकते हो, यहाँ पर आप rings रख सकते हो. This has this extra little area where you can keep those big earrings or any big statement things that you have. Compact, nice, easy, put it in your suitcase and you're good to go. So it's like a big thumbs up from my end. And that's it for today's video, you guys. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button. Let me know in the comments down below which product was your favorite and what you would put in your cart. All product links will be in the description down below. मैं अपना storefront link भी दे दूंगी जहाँ पर आपको सारे products एक जगह पे मिल जाएंगे. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. If you did, like, subscribe, hit the bell notification to get notified whenever I upload a new video. With that said, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
We had a dream, we were